buying fruit at the market.
Hi, do you need help finding something?
Yes, I want apples, but there are many kinds.
Yeah, there are a lot. Do you like sweet apples?
Sweet is good, not too sour.
Then try these red ones. They're really popular.
They look very nice. Expensive?
Not really. $3 for one bag.
Oh, that is okay. In my country, fruit is cheaper.
Where are you from?
Vietnam. I moved here last month.
Wow, big change. How do you like it here?
It is good, but sometimes difficult.
What's the hardest part?
People speak fast. I understand little.
You're doing pretty well right now.
Really? I feel shy when I speak.
That's normal. Practice helps a lot.
I practice every day, sometimes with movies.
That's actually a great idea.
Thank you. Maybe my English is improving.
Definitely improving. So, red apples today?
Yes, red apples today.
Shopping for shoes.
Hi there. Looking for shoes today?
Yes, running shoes, but I don't know which ones.
No problem. Do you run often?
Not often. I want to start exercising more.
That's a good goal. What size are you?
Size 38?
Ah, European size. Okay, I understand.
Good. Sometimes sizes confuse me.
Happens all the time. Try these ones.
Oh, very comfortable.
Nice. They look good too.
I like them, but maybe expensive?
They're on sale today. $50.
Really? That's better than I thought.
So, what do you think?
I think, yes, I buy these.
Great choice. Are you new in town?
Yes, 2 months here in Canada.
Welcome. Hope you're enjoying it.
More now. Canadian people are very kind. Waiting for the train.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, you can sit.
Thanks. Are you waiting for the train too?
Yes, train to Seattle.
Me too. First time there?
Yes, I visit my cousin.
Nice. Where are you from originally?
Turkey. I came here 6 months ago.
Oh, wow. How's your English going?
Slowly, very slowly.
You're doing fine.
Sometimes I know words, but I cannot say them fast.
I understand. Speaking takes time.
Sleeping is easier for me.
That's actually pretty common.
Really? I thought maybe something wrong with me.
No way. You're learning a new language. That's hard work.
Thank you. That helps me feel calm.
No problem. Oh, look, the train is coming now.
Good. I was worried we missed it.
Buying a winter jacket.
Hi, looking for winter clothes?
Yes, I need warm jacket. Very warm.
First winter here?
Yes, I hear winters are terrible.
They can be pretty cold. Where are you from?
Morocco. Winter there is not like this.
Then yeah, you definitely need good jacket.
This one feels very soft.
It's also waterproof, good for snow.
Waterproof means water cannot go inside?
Exactly. Perfect for rain and snow.
Oh, very useful.
Want to try it on?
Okay, putting it on. Wow, very warm already.
Looks great on you too.
Really?
Definitely. And it's on sale today.
Good, because I am student.
Student life is expensive, huh?
Very expensive. But now, at least I will not freeze outside.
That's important in this city. Winters here are serious.
I saw snow only one time before, on television.
Really? Then your first snowfall will be exciting.
Maybe exciting for 5 minutes, then too cold.
That's usually how people feel.
Do I need gloves too?
Absolutely. And maybe a hat. Cold wind is the worst part.
Oh no, I think I am not ready for this weather.
You'll survive. Everyone complains about winter, but we manage.
I hope so. My friends already laugh at me because I wear 3 sweaters.
Honestly, that's smart.
I like this jacket very much. It feels comfortable.
And the color looks really nice on you.
Thank you. In my country, I never buy clothes this thick.
You'll get used to it quickly.
Maybe after one winter, I become strong like Canadians.
That's the goal.
Okay, I buy the jacket. And maybe gloves too.
Great choice. Future you will be very thankful.
Yes, future me will be warm and happy.
At the ice cream shop.
Welcome. What flavor do you want?
So many choices. I don't know.
That's the hardest part here.
Which flavor is most popular?
Chocolate and strawberry.
Strawberry sounds nice.
Cone or cup?
Cone? Cup?
Cone is crunchy. Cup is paper cup.
Ah, cone please.
Good choice. 1 scoop or 2?
1 is enough. Ice cream here is very big.
True. American portions are huge.
In my country, ice cream is much smaller.
Where are you from?
Indonesia. I came here to study art.
That's awesome. Do you like the city?
Yes, especially the museums.
Nice. Here's your strawberry cone.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Missing the bus to school.
Hey, are you okay? You look worried.
I missed my bus again.
That's the worst. Was it the school bus?
No, city bus. It left 1 minute early.
That's unlucky. Do you have another way to go?
Maybe train, but I don't understand train map very well.
I can help you. Where are you trying to go?
Westbrook College, English class at 9 o'clock.
Oh, that's easy. I'm going near there too.
Really?
Yeah, you can come with me if you want.
Thank you. I still get confused in this city.
How long have you lived here?
Only 4 months. Everything feels so fast here.
Big cities are like that.
In my hometown, life was quieter.
Where are you from?
Peru. My family still lives there.
Do you miss them a lot?
Every day. Especially my little sister.
That must be hard.
Yes. Sometimes I feel lonely here.
Well, you're not alone right now.
Thank you. That is kind.
So, how are your English classes going?
Better than before, but speaking is still scary.
Honestly, your English sounds pretty good.
You think so?
Definitely. You're having a full conversation with me.
Slowly, but yes.
Slow is okay. That's how people learn.
My teacher says the same thing.
Your teacher sounds smart.
Is this her train?
Yep, this one. Come on.
Good thing you were here today.
Good thing you missed the bus then.
Maybe missing the bus was lucky after all.
Studying in the park.
Hey, is that English homework?
Yes, and it is very difficult.
Which part is hard?
Grammar. Too many rules.
Yeah, English grammar is weird sometimes.
Why one word has many meanings?
Honestly, I ask that too sometimes.
Really?
Definitely. What are you studying now?
Past tense. I always make mistakes.
Want some help?
You help me?
Sure, we can practice together.
That is very nice of you.
Okay, say something you did yesterday.
Yesterday I go to supermarket.
Close. Went, not go.
Yesterday I went to supermarket.
Perfect. See, you're improving already.
Maybe grammar is not impossible after all.
Learning to swim.
Hi. Ready for your swimming lesson?
Maybe not ready, but I try.
That's the spirit. Are you afraid of water?
A little. Deep water scares me.
Don't worry. We start in shallow water.
Okay, that sounds safer.
Have you ever swum before?
Only one time, very long ago.
Then today's good practice.
I hope so. I don't want to embarrass myself.
Nobody laughs here. Everyone learns at different speed.
I'm smiling slightly. You are a good teacher already.
Thanks. First step, put your feet in the water.
Oh, the water is cold.
Only for first minute.
Maybe swimming is harder than English.
Maybe, but you'll improve at both.
I'm trying. Should I hold the side?
Yes, that's good. Hold the side and relax your body.
Like this?
Perfect. You're doing very well already.
Really? I feel very awkward.
Everyone feels awkward the first day.
Okay, I try more.
Great. Now kick your legs slowly.
Oh no, too much water.
That's normal. Water goes everywhere.
Water teachers must be very patient people.
We have to be. Students get nervous.
I think I am less nervous now.
See? You're already improving after 10 minutes.
Maybe next time I can swim a little alone.
I think so too. You're braver than you think.
Thank you, Cole. I feel proud of myself now.
At the art museum.
Excuse me, are you enjoying the museum?
Yes, very much. The paintings are beautiful.
Do you like art?
I love art. I paint sometimes too.
Really? What do you paint?
Nature mostly. Trees, rivers, flowers.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. Painting makes me calm.
Which painting here is your favorite?
That blue one. It feels peaceful.
I like that one too.
Museums here are very large.
Yeah, you can spend all day here.
Maybe I will.
Are you visiting or living here?
Living. I moved here last year.
How's life been so far?
Difficult sometimes, but also exciting.
That's a good way to describe a new country.
Yes, new life is both things together.
Do you study art here?
Yes, at community college. I still learn many things.
That's awesome. What kind of art classes do you take?
Drawing, painting, and art history.
Art history sounds hard.
It is. Too many names and dates.
I would forget everything after one class.
Me too, sometimes, especially in English.
But your English sounds really good.
Surprised? Thank you. I practice every day at school.
That's paying off. You speak very naturally.
Happy. That makes me feel better. I still feel shy speaking.
Well, you shouldn't. You're doing great.
Thank you. People here are kinder than I expected.
That's nice to hear.
This place makes me want paint again tonight.
Then the museum did its job.
Yes, it gave me inspiration.
Taking a cooking class.
Hi, is this your first cooking class?
Yes, I cannot cook very well.
That's okay. Most people here are beginners.
Really? Good.
What do you usually cook?
Eggs, noodles, very simple food.
Hey, that's how everyone starts.
I want to learn better recipes.
Same here. I burn food all the time.
Then maybe we both need this class.
Definitely. Where are you from?
Ukraine. And you?
I'm from here.
This kitchen is very modern.
Yeah, it's pretty fancy.
I am afraid to use expensive machines.
Don't worry, the teacher helps a lot.
Okay, then maybe I don't destroy kitchen today.
That's already success.
At the flower shop.
Hi, looking for flowers today?
Yes, for my friend. Today is her birthday.
That's sweet. What kind of flowers does she like?
I don't know. Maybe pink flowers?
Pink roses are popular.
These are beautiful.
They smell really nice, too.
Flowers in this country are very colorful.
Are flowers different in your country?
Yes, smaller shops, less choice.
Where are you from?
Kenya. I moved here for university.
Wow, that's exciting.
And scary sometimes.
I can imagine.
Everything is new. New people, new language.
But you're doing a great job.
Thank you. I try my best.
Your friend is going to love these flowers.
I hope so. She is very kind to me.
Borrowing a bicycle.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I want rent bicycle.
Sure, for 1 day or more.
Just today. I want see the city.
Great idea. Have you ridden a bike before?
Yes, since I was child.
Perfect. What size bike do you need?
Size? Small, maybe?
Okay, let's try this one.
Oh, this feels comfortable.
Nice. Do you need a helmet too?
Helmet is for safety, right?
Exactly.
Then yes, I want helmet.
Smart choice. Where are you visiting from?
Egypt. I study here now.
That's awesome. How are classes going?
Hard sometimes, but teachers are nice.
That's good to hear. Ready to explore the city?
Yes, very ready.
At the movie theater.
Hi, are you waiting for someone?
Yes, my friend is late again.
That sounds annoying.
A little. I don't like waiting alone.
Which movie are you watching?
The space movie. I forget the name.
Oh, Stars Beyond?
Yes, that one.
I heard it's really good.
I hope so. Movies help my English listening.
That's smart. Do you use subtitles too?
Sometimes, but I try without subtitles now.
That's brave.
Maybe a little scary, too.
You'll get better quickly.
I want to speak more naturally.
You're already pretty natural.
Really?
Yeah, you sound great.
Thank you. That makes me confident.
At the music store.
Hey, do you play guitar?
A little, not very good.
Everyone starts somewhere. Acoustic or electric?
What is acoustic?
Acoustic is the wooden guitar. Electric needs amplifier.
Ah, then acoustic.
Nice choice. Are you learning by yourself?
Yes, online videos help me.
That's cool. What songs do you practice?
Simple songs, slow songs.
Slow songs are great for beginners.
Good, then I choose correctly.
Definitely. Where did you learn English?
Mostly internet and talking with people.
That's impressive, actually.
Sometimes people don't understand me.
I understand you perfectly.
Really?
Yeah, you're doing awesome.
Thank you. That gives me confidence.
Visiting the pet store.
Hi there. Looking for a pet?
Maybe small fish?
Fish are great pets. Easy to care for.
Easy? I never have pet before.
No problem. I'll explain everything.
Thank you. I worry about doing something wrong.
What kind of fish do you like?
The orange ones are very cute.
Those are goldfish. They're really popular.
They need big aquarium?
Medium size is okay for one fish.
I live in small apartment.
Then one small fish is perfect.
Good. I don't want lonely apartment anymore.
A pet can help with that.
Sometimes I miss my home a lot.
I'm sorry. How long have you been here?
4 months. Still very new for me.
Well, maybe this little fish will make it feel more like home.
Yes, I think so too.